Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Botti. We're with DeloSync, and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday, we're talking about Instagram's algorithm, which, by the way, is the same algorithm that Facebook is also now starting to use. If you've ever been frustrated trying to figure out how to get your Instagram posts in front of the right audience, you're not alone. So today we're going to give you actionable tips for maximizing your content's visibility. As a small business trying to boost engagement, understanding how Meta's algorithms work is essential for success.
That's right, Donna. Instagram isn't just about a single algorithm. It's made up of multiple algorithms and processes to work together to create the user experience. The big idea here is that Instagram wants to make sure users are spending their time viewing content that's most relevant and interesting to them. It's not about showing you everything in chronological order anymore. Instead, it's about personalized recommendations based on your behavior and your interests.
Exactly. Have you noticed how much content is not from your friends and accounts that you follow? Over 50% of content now comes from the AI recommendation algorithm. So it's more important than ever that your content is relevant to the audience that you want. There's not just one algorithm either. The different parts of Instagram, like the feed, stories, explore page, and reels, are controlled by different algorithms. Each part of the platform has its own ranking system designed to meet the specific user behaviors in that area.
For example, when it comes to the feed, Instagram considers a variety of signals, things like posts you've liked, shared, or commented on. They even track how often you interact with a specific person or brand. So if you frequently engage with a certain account, that content is more likely to appear higher in your feed. The goal here is to create a tailored experience that keeps you coming back for more.
Exactly. And then there's Instagram stories, which are ranked based on how often users engage with your story. If someone consistently watches your stories or interacts with them by sending a reaction, Instagram takes that into account when deciding where your story should appear on their feed.
And the explore page, that's where it really gets interesting. If you're a business trying to reach new audiences, the explore algorithm is where you want to focus. It shows users content they haven't seen before, but are likely to enjoy based on their behavior. So if a user interacts with content from a certain creator, Instagram will show them similar content from creators they may not follow yet.
And that's why reels have become so important. They can really help expand your reach. If your reel resonates with the user, it can get pushed to the top of their feed, even if they don't follow you. And shares via direct messages, well, those are the golden tickets to reaching even more people.
It's all about creating content that people want to share, comment on, or like. Reels give you that chance to go viral, but only if you're creating something that people genuinely want to connect with.
So for those of you wondering how to make the algorithm work for you, here's a quick rundown of tips. First, embrace the newest features like Reels and Stories. Instagram prioritizes newer tools and gives them prime real estate in the app. Second, diversify your post types. Mix it up with images, carousels, reels, and stories to keep things fresh and to reach more people. And third, focus on engagement. Reply to comments, use interactive stickers in your stories, and encourage your team to interact with your content. And of course, track your analytics to see what's working. Keep experimenting, stay authentic, and watch your engagement soar.
That's it for today's episode. You can find some links on this topic at delosync.com/episode 383. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.